Audio lecture for College Board Section G4 of the Geography component. There are no workbook pages, but a couple of other assignments for this section. This section is titled Natural Resources and Human Adaptation. Natural resources are materials or substances such as minerals, forests, water, and fertile land that occur in nature and can be used for economic gain. They can be renewable or non-renewable. What are some examples of natural resources that you can think of? Oil is a big one. Diamonds are another. It's a mineral. Water is probably one of the most important. And of course, trees. These are all natural resources. Natural resources can be in surplus, meaning plentiful, or they can be scarce, meaning we're running out of. So brainstorm. How does the surplus or scarcity of natural resources relate to trade? Think about that. A real-world example is by looking at oil. Saudi Arabia produces 12 million barrels of oil per day. Saudi Arabia only consumes 3.2 million barrels per day. So, do they have a scarcity or a surplus? Japan produces 0 barrels of oil a day. Japan consumes 3.9 million barrels of oil a day. Do they have a scarcity or a surplus? Now, obviously, Saudi Arabia has a surplus and Japan has a scarcity. If you produce more than you have a surplus. If you use more than you produce, you have scarcity. Would it be smart for Saudi Arabia to trade with Japan? Why? Think about this. In addition to impacting trade, natural resources and their availability impact the humans around them. Brainstorm. How would natural resources and their availability impact the human race? We're going to do an exercise using this link. It'll be located on Canvas. I'll discuss it in class. What ways did the Bajau people adapt to their environment? After watching the video, you should be able to think about answers to this question. Can you think of other ways humans have adapted to their environment? Humans adapt to their environment through innovations in food production, manufacturing, and technology. Food for thought. Think of and discuss among yourselves the causes of human adaptation to their environment. Human adaptation article analysis. See Canvas for the assignment. You will go to Canvas and click on the assignment. Choose an article from the link. Read the article and answer the questions on a sheet of paper. Then you will scan and upload those questions to Canvas. Check Canvas for the date announcement. Be prepared to discuss the main ideas of your article with the class. Humans and the environment. Think about this. What causes human adaptation? Causes of human adaptation. The surplus or scarcity of natural resources can cause humans to adapt to their environment. Think of an example. We'll go through some of these in class together. What are the effects of human adaptation on the environment? Brainstorm. How might human adaptation affect the environment? We'll discuss this in class. Human adaptations lead to a modification of the environment and long-distance diffusion of animals, plants, and pathogens. The triangular trade that occurred during the Age of Exploration in the late 15th, early 16th century is a good example of this. Real-world example, the Columbian exchange as part of the triangular trade. The Columbian exchange. When European explorers came to the New World in the late 15th century, they brought some of their food, diseases, and animals with them. They also took back some of the New World's foods and animals to the Old World. This would have major impacts on both parts of the world, the New World and the Old World. Impacts of the Columbian exchange. As seen with the Columbian exchange, human interaction with the environment have intended and unintended consequences, including changes in landscapes and biodiversity. We'll discuss more of these changes that happened due to the Columbian exchange in class together. What are some examples of humans changing the environment? Think about it. Human adaptation article analysis. We will go to Canvas and click on the assignment. You will choose an article from the link, read the article and answer the questions, and then scan and upload your answers to Canvas. The date will be indicated on Canvas. This one is similar to the other article analysis you did on human interaction. Be prepared to discuss the main ideas of your article with the class. Food for thought. Discuss the causes and effects of human adaptation and the physical environment.